In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub to Slack. This simple connection lets important GitHub activity, like pull requests, issues, and deployments, flow into your Slack workspace so your team can see updates in real time without switching tabs. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Slack workspace in your browser and that you have permission to install apps. If your workspace requires admin approval, you might see a notice asking you to request access. Totally normal. Start by opening your browser and navigating to slack.github.com. This is the official GitHub for Slack app page, and it's the safest, most direct way to set things up. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Add to Slack. Click that. You're now starting a secure authorization flow between Slack and GitHub. Next, if you aren't already signed into Slack in your browser, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your Slack credentials, then choose the workspace where you want to connect GitHub. Take a moment here to confirm you've picked the right workspace, especially if you're a member of multiple organizations. After selecting the workspace, you'll see a permissions screen. On that screen, click Allow. This grants the GitHub app the access it needs to post updates and help you take quick actions from Slack. You're not giving away your code or repository control here. You're simply enabling Slack to receive notifications and interact with GitHub on your behalf where appropriate. If you get an admin approval message instead of the Allow button, follow your workspace's approval process and return to this screen once it's approved. And there you go. That's it. The connection is now live. You may be redirected to Slack or see a confirmation page indicating the app has been added to your workspace. From here, you'll notice that the GitHub app is available within Slack, ready to help you keep track of development work in one place. If something didn't look right, like the wrong workspace showing up, try switching accounts in the top corner of the authorization page or repeating the process in a private browser window to avoid cached logins. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If the Add to Slack button doesn't appear, refresh the page or temporarily disable strict content blockers. If you're using the Slack desktop app, your browser may prompt you to open Slack during the process. That's expected. And if you need admin approval, don't worry. Once it's granted, the allow step is exactly the same. That's all you need to connect GitHub to Slack quickly and confidently.